So let's go ahead and talk about the M4 chips more in depth. I mean, the M4, M4 Pro, and M4 Max are gonna all have different types of power, of course. I mean, with the M4 regular, you're gonna get a 10-core CPU, 10-core GPU, and I believe the base models of those products are gonna start at 16 gigabytes of RAM as well, which in my opinion are still very powerful. And the iPad Pro just has the M4 chip, and that by itself has been running so amazingly and been helping me edit a lot more better. I could even use DaVinci Resolve without any stutter. Although if you use DaVinci Resolve on the iPad Pro, don't forget to just transfer all of your files onto the iPad and not try to run it from an SSD, because it just does not work well. It tends to have crashes and has a hard time reading the video. As for the M4 Pro chips, you're going to be able to have from a 12-core CPU to a 14-core CPU, depending on the option that you take. And then as for the GPU, you're either going to have a 16-core GPU or a 20-core GPU. Like I said, it is up to you. It is going to cost more, but the base will be just as powerful in my opinion. But if you want to go for a longer lasting, I highly recommend you go to the higher level. And as for the Max, you're going to be able to do a 14-core CPU to a 16-core CPU. And as for the GPU, you're going to be able to do a 32-core GPU, or you're going to be able to do a 40-core GPU, which is honestly a monster. That would be a beast. But that's the whole point of the Max. If you really plan on using this MacBook for a very long time, then I highly recommend just going all out, because that's what I did with the iPad. Plus you go from 256 gigabytes all the way up to, I think there's options for 8 terabytes, but I think my highest would probably be 2 terabytes. Something though that has been catching my attention, for only $5.99, this is the first time where I've seen an Apple Mac cost $5.99. Maybe it's just me because I don't really shop for MacBooks, iMacs, and things like that, although I'm planning on getting one. But the Mac Mini costs $5.99, comes with an M4 chip and 16 gigabytes of RAM. That's extremely amazing and very cheap for Apple. It's going to be able to support Apple Intelligence, all the AI features, and then also get all of the most recent updates, and that's already a plus. Not only that, it's a pretty small device. It's pretty portable as well. I mean, I know that you're always going to need a monitor, but I do have portable monitors, and I think since this is a mini, I could also bring my portable monitors wherever I'm at and still work in my workspace. It is a perfect size device. It's going to come with 2 USB-C headphone jack, 3 Thunderbolt, HDMI, and Ethernet cable port. It has a built-in cooling system, and of course the amazing M4 chip, which is honestly the most powerful chip that there is right now. You're able to get productivity, creativity, gaming, and even coding on this device. And if you're in the Apple ecosystem, everything is going to connect seamlessly, and I think it's a win-win. So highly recommend this device. I like it. You guys would like it, I'm pretty sure, and it's going to be my next purchase, if I'm being honest. Either that or a MacBook, but most likely for the Mac Mini. As for the iMacs, I think the iMacs look beautiful in these new colors, which is going to be a green, blue, red, orange, white, and yellow. And more than anything, I feel like the yellow has really been calling out my name. I think those are also very amazing devices, and for good prices, like $1,200 I believe. I know that sounds like a lot, but in reality, for the power that you're getting and the usefulness and creativity you could push out with these devices, they are definitely worth it in my opinion. So yeah. Also guys, if you guys are enjoying the video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I absolutely love you guys. We just hit 300 subscribers and I'm excited to grow even more. So yeah, let's continue with the video though. Also, if you guys want to know, these iMacs also are getting the M4 chip. They're going to be really powerful, and they're going to have also very good cameras to FaceTime, make video calls, and so on, things like that, with amazing displays. These are going to come with 4 USB-C ports in the back, Wi-Fi 6E, and could support 2 external displays. And these iMacs now feature a color matched keyboard, and I think that's honestly one of the most amazing things. That's why I'm thinking about the orange one, because I think it'll be like really nice. Funny fact though, I do not like the flavor orange. I like the orange itself, the fruit, but I don't like the flavor of artificial orange. But yeah, absolutely amazing device, and also a 4.5K display on that device is just gonna look beautiful, honestly, and for that price. Like I said, the orange one is probably my go-to though. As for the new iMac, we're gonna get a 14-inch, 16-inch display. Gonna have the M4, M4 Pro, M4 Max, and I think they're gonna get about everything. Up to 3.5 times faster than last year's model. It's gonna have next level performances, graphics, and so on, just like all the other products, as well as Apple Intelligence, the new Siri, and secure messages. I'm sorry, I meant to say priority messages. It's gonna have phone mirroring, because now you can mirror your iPhone screen onto your MacBook, which is absolutely amazing, even when the screen is off. It's gonna come in a normal display and a textured display, which is the textured display. It's gonna help you lose that glareness when you're outside using your device to edit or doing work and stuff like that, which their nano textured is pretty cool. I just think it was a downside on the iPad. I didn't get the nano texture on the iPad, but during that time when I was viewing whether I wanted the nano textured or not, it looked a little washed out with colors on nano textured, but I'm sure they fixed that by now. Has a 6 sound speaker soundway and 3 studio mics, which is what they are claiming, which the iPad also has a 3 studio mic, and they sound pretty good. It has a Thunderbolt port, a HDMI port, an SD card port, a headphone jack, and MagSafe charging. This device, just like how all the other devices are, is built for Apple Intelligence, as well as better battery life, which is going to be about 14 hours of battery life, which is slightly more than just a whole day. And a liquid retina XDR display, which is going to look absolutely beautiful for all those bright colors. Although it would have been nice if we had like an OLED display, but it's fine. But from just all of this talking about the iMacs, the MacBook Pros, the iPad, how everything just has the M4 now and Apple Intelligence. Apple Intelligence is going to be such a big thing for all of these Apple devices. Apple has it delayed right now, but I know when it comes out and we have that finished product, people are not going to regret waiting, because everything's going to be done, hopefully, soon. Because right now, all we got is the new Siri. And the new Siri is cool. I mean, I just got the new animation, but the developer beta allows you to have ChatGPT, apply for Genmoji and so on, but I haven't done all that. But absolutely amazing phone too. So in summary, all of these products absolutely amazing. A new M4 chip that is going to be very powerful, have more cores and for the GPU and CPU, and it seems like Apple's also heading towards like trying to let Mac game a little bit more, so it's giving it more power. So be excited for that. Hopefully something comes out of it. My main priority with all Apple devices is to be productive and also creativity, do art, videos, edit, things like that. I feel like it's more smoother than other devices that I've used and much more easier. I think the Mac Mini is going to be absolutely amazing, guys. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed this little update video on Apple products, let me know down in the comments below, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. It would really mean a lot to me. I do love you guys. We just reached 300 subs like I was saying earlier, and I know we're gonna go far above that. I almost dropped my iPad. We are gonna go far above that. And if you guys are ever wondering where I film at, it's inside of my garage. I'm sorry, but yeah, until next time, peace.